Hey, welcome back Better Health community. Today we're going to learn about several health benefits of eating strawberries. We've all been there, struggling with energy crashes, digestive issues, or skin problems. And often, we turn to medications or quick fixes to alleviate our symptoms. But what if we told you that the key to resolving these issues lies in our dietary choices? Specifically, the lack of certain superfoods in our diets. Before we bite into the details, don't forget to join the health seeker movement by clicking the subscribe button. Every like, share, and of course all subs, are greatly appreciated. Strawberries are sweet, red juicy fruit that belong to the genus Fragaria. They are widely appreciated for their flavor and versatility in various dishes, from desserts to salads. Strawberries thrive in temperate climates. They grow best in regions with well-drained soil, plenty of sunlight, and moderate rainfall. Our modern diet is sadly lacking in nutrients and fiber, leading to a host of health problems. We're eating more processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats than ever before, and it's taking a toll on our bodies. From bloating and weight gain to chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, the consequences are real. But here's the thing, it's not all doom and gloom. By making simple tweaks to our diets, we can start to reverse some of this damage and take control of our health. And that's where strawberries come in. Strawberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help combat oxidative stress, inflammation, and even certain diseases. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in vitamin C, potassium, and folate. And research has shown that eating strawberries regularly can have a significant impact on our health. For instance, strawberries contain a powerful antioxidant called ellagic acid, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties and even help reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also high in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system and can even help reduce the severity of colds and flu. But strawberries aren't just good for us, they're also delicious. Whether you enjoy them fresh in a salad, blended into a smoothie, or as a sweet treat after dinner, there are countless ways to incorporate them into your diet. But don't just take our word for it. We want to share with you a remarkable study that showcases the incredible benefits of strawberries. In a recent study, researchers found that eating strawberries daily for just 6 months improved cardiovascular health in adults with high cholesterol. The participants saw significant reductions in their LDL cholesterol levels and even experienced improved blood vessel function. The results were impressive, to say the least. And it just goes to show that even small changes to our diets can have a profound impact on our health. By incorporating strawberries into our daily routine, we can start to experience these benefits for ourselves. Regularly eating strawberries offers several health benefits. Number 1. Nutrient-rich. Strawberries are low in calories and high in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, manganese, and folate. Number 2. Antioxidants. They are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Number 3. Heart health. Consuming strawberries has been linked to improved heart health, as they may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. Strawberries have a low glycemic index, making them a good choice for regulating blood sugar levels. Number 5. Digestive health. High in dietary fiber, strawberries can aid digestion and promote gut health. Number 6. Skin health. The vitamin C content in strawberries supports collagen production, which is important for skin health. Strawberries are an organic superfood that deserves more attention in our diets. With their rich antioxidant profile, essential vitamins and minerals, and potential role in disease prevention, they're the perfect addition to our meals. So go ahead, get creative, and start enjoying strawberries today. You won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in everyone. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy strawberries? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to check out our other videos on healthy eating and nutritious recipes.